In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add images to your TikTok videos in 2021 on your iPhone or Android device. Alright, so you want to open the TikTok app. If you simply click on Tap to Create, it will send you over here. Now, let's say you just basically record the first part of the video that you want to create, let loose, and then if you click on Effects in the bottom left corner, you will see this. If you then scroll down for a bit, you'll come across this icon right there. Hold on. This one, and you can use this to add images on your TikTok. So if you just do this, you can then select an image. So I'll go with this one. Then what you can do is simply hold the record button and it will just record the screen, the picture. If you then press on the checkmark sign, you'll see the video. I'll confirm that the image is indeed in there, and there we go. That's pretty much how you can add an image on your TikTok video. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and this would also help reach more people with this video. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and do that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.